Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to create a new hand pose for the hand pose detector. So we'll just launch this up, and as you can see I've got hand poses, do the Spock, peace sign, thumbs up, point, and point with thumbs up. Excellent. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this metal hand pose. So we'll go to the poses folder, create a new resource, just a basic resource, and call it metal. Alright, so we don't see any options in here because we actually have to make it a hand pose by dragging the hand pose script on there. So now we've got pose settings. We'll call this one metal, and let's save it. Right. So to understand the hand pose itself, I'm going to launch the inspect scene and run it. So we've got hands, make poses, and what we'll do is the metal. Alright, so obviously the thumb, index, and pinky finger are extended, and the middle and ring fingers are down. So turns out that at certain angles, you can see, I'm keeping the same pose, but if the pinky is in shadow, the headset can't see it, it just folds down. You can see the other fingers are curved, and my guess is that it kind of just infers that it's like a fist or something. So the other thing is that those two fingers there, if you can't, obviously in through the transparent hand, you can see they're curving up, but in reality they're still down. It's just the headset, again, can't see them. So I think what we're going to do, we'll first worry about all the flex angles here. So the thumb is the first one we'll worry about, and I think it wants to be back anywhere from like 60, from 60 degrees, I think it's good, but 40 degrees or less, it's definitely in that position. So we'll do that one first. So let's go to the metal, flexion of the thumb, new fitness function, and what we want is a fitness function. I think I said it was, we want to be starting at 60, we begin to be happy, but at 40 we're happy. So from will be 60, and we'll start activating it at 40. So from 60 to 40. All right, now that we've got one rule set, what we can do is we can go to the inspector window, take the pose data, and rather than analyzing the fist, we'll analyze metal. Now let's take a look. So we can try this one here, and as you can see, with the thumb too far forwards, it's not happy, but I bring it back a little bit and it's happy. All right, so that looks to work in every angle there. Let's hit the index and pinky. So actually, when facing, the pinky looks to be about, I'm getting values about 35 or less, maybe being good. All right, so pinky, have a new fitness function. So 35 or less is good. We'll start at 55. Save that. Run again. All right, that's looking good. Index finger seems to be hovering reasonably well at, well, I guess in some situations there, like, let's do 30 or less there. It's good. So index, we'll have starting at 50, but being comfortably or fully on at 30. So, metal. Thing is, we're not paying any attention to the middle and ring fingers, so this is also metal. So we do want to deactivate if we don't have our middle and ring Too far down now. Looks to me like those are comfortably 40 or more. Getting pretty close though. So okay, so let's have middle, definitely 40. It's less than 30. We're not good. Same thing for the ring. So starting at 30, but 40 or more is good. All right, save that. Try it again. So flat palm is not metal. Bend those down, and we got metal. All right, that's working reasonably well. Now we can also, I think, pay attention to the curl of those fingers there. It's not perfect because when they're hidden by the back of the hand, it can't work out too much from them. But if we don't try doing like hands out like this, totally hiding them, then we should be able to maybe do curl on the middle and ring fingers of maybe good at 60 degrees or more. Okay, so I think we're done with the flexion. So curl of the middle, we're going to be happy at 60 degrees. Let's begin being happy at 40, and the ring, again, start at 40, but fully happy at 60. All right. So none of the other poses seem to trigger metal. So, all right. Let's give this a wider shot. So I'm going to go to the standard poses, add a new one, and shove metal in there. Save this, and we'll run the full demo. All right. So metal, pointing, thumbs up, peace sign, Spock, back to metal. All right, I think we have a functioning metal detector. All right, thank you.